Okay, welcome to lesson 29. So we will start a new topic called nested lists. So this is my favorite topic. Now let me color the heart. Yeah, that's enough. So what is a nested list? So whenever you have some lists or one list inside another list. So we say we have a nested list. So let's say we have L equals, and here we have some lists. So here we can say we have a nested list because there are a bunch of lists inside one big list. So let's have, again, L equals 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So again, we have a nested list. So these are lists inside list L. So for simplicity, you can say we have 3 sublists inside one big list. So you can say we have sublist, sublist, and sublist. But of course they are lists, but you can call them sublist. So here we have 3 sublists. So in each sublist we have 3 elements. So is it a must to have 3 elements, 4 elements, or should they have the same number of elements? No, they shouldn't have the same number of elements. They can have different number of elements. So here you can have 3 elements, here you can have no elements, and here we can have, for example, 4 elements, 10 elements. So there is no rule to say all sublists should have the same number of items or elements. So let's say we have X. So it's a big X because I want to explain many things here. So 1, 2, 3, let's say 0, 52, 20, 30, we have 10, and 100. So as you can see, we don't have the same number of elements for each sublist. We have different number of elements. Now let's talk about indexing. Do we have any index? Of course we do. So this list X, has 3 elements. What are those 3 elements? Those 3 elements are 3 sublists. So this one here, and this one here, right? So what about the indexes? Like before, the first item has index 0. So the first sublist has index 0. The second one index 1, the third one index 2. So I told you each sublist is also a list. So let's go deeper. So here we do have indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1. So be careful about indexing of nested lists. So what about the length? So how many sublists do we have? Or how many lists do we have inside list X? 1, 2, 3. So length of X is 3. Why 3? Because we have 3 lists or 3 sublists. Number of, I say sublists. So how to get the length of X? Using len function, len of X, and it returns 3, number of sublists. So everything is easy. Now let's make it a bit complicated. How to access an element from a nested list. So first you need the name of the list, or let's say the main list. So this time you need 2 pairs of square brackets. So I say I and J. So what's happening here? I refers to the index of the sublist. The index of the sublist. What about J? So J goes into the sublist. So the index of the element of the sublist. So let's say you want to access number 20, this one right here. So how to access number 20? The name of the list, in our example X. Now let's have 2 pairs of square brackets. So first, the index of the sublist, which is 1, right? So far we have the second sublist. So everything is nice. Now we have the sublist, right? So we want to retrieve, or we want to get, or we want to access 20. So what is the index of 20? 1. So you just write 1. And it gives you number 20. So here we have the sublist, and here the index of the elements in the sublist. So here we have X square brackets 1. So you have this one, 52, 20, 30. And then from this one, give me number 20, which is at position 1. And we have 20. So let's have something else here. So this is not L, sorry, this is X. X, 0, minus 2. Oh, is it possible to have a negative number as an index? Of course we can have a negative number. So x, 0. So this part, now we have two parts, right? X, 0 and then minus 2. So the first sublist, this one right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 0. So what about this one, minus 2? Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 0. So I'm sure you're familiar with negative indexing. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So from this sublist, it says from this sublist, give me the element at position minus 2, which is 3. And we get 3. So let's finish the lesson here. So in the next lesson, we will continue with nested list. So as usual, take care and bye-bye.